Hi everyone, welcome to my channel today. It's Lynn here. So today I'm popping on to share some really exciting news with you all. I feel very lucky to have been chosen by Amanda at Create with Scrimping Mommy to join her design team. So throughout August and September I'm going to make some projects, one being really out of my comfort zone, a journal. I have really wanted to get into journaling for some time, but just don't know where to start. And it wasn't until I came across Amanda's channel that I decided I must give it a go. So my first little journal that I created was a sidekick journal, which was inspired by Amanda. I will leave a link to Amanda's channel, and I will also leave the links to her coffee shop and to her Facebook if you would like to join that. She gives absolutely loads of help, tips, techniques, and loads of inspiration. Please do pop over to Amanda's channel. So this is what I've chosen. It's the French Chic collection, June Journaling Joy, which is Journal Hour Year. So I'm going to show you through this gorgeous collection. So my first page is this gorgeous page where this lovely lady is sat with her music book in front of the piano. She looks as if she's flipping through her music book to find some tune to play. Got a beautiful vase of flowers sat on the windowsill with some books. Look at the beautiful colours and florals on this sheet. So that's my first sheet. Then here we have the beautiful chateau and the lovely, it's like a water fountain in the middle of the garden. She looks as if she's overlooking the water and gazing beautifully into the chateau. And we've again got the beautiful floral designs around the outside. And then this one, lady is dressed in her beautiful dress. This looks like lace at the bottom of her dress, and she's holding a fan. It must be really hot, a bit like today. It's really hot here today. How gorgeous is this? And she looks as if she's gazing out and down the avenue. How beautiful. I love those colours. Then this one, we have the picture of the chateau and the beautiful peacock, and again there's some music notes on this one, and the beautiful, I think they could be roses around. How gorgeous. And look at the detail here, the beautiful floral design, the beautiful roses around the door as you go into the chateau. Lovely. And then these ones are some, so there are a few sheets where we have some French invoices. So we have this gorgeous one with the bird cage. So you can do lots with those. You could cut them up, put them in half. This one's the picture of the lady looking down the avenue. How beautiful are these? So there's lots of things that you could do with those. You could fussy cut some of the little sort of stamps on the invoice. You could cut the top off. Yeah, loads of different things. You could fussy cut around here, use the wording on pages. So we've got the invoice pages. And then we've got these gorgeous designs. So again, we can create a page where you could either fold it in half and use it as one of your pages in your signature pieces, or you could fussy cut around these gorgeous shapes. Absolutely loads and loads to do from that one page. Amanda has taken the hard work out and she's got loads and loads of things where you can create there. We've got the two peacocks there on this one, and then the beautiful candelabras. Again, you can use it to fussy cut around, loads and loads of options with these beautiful, beautiful pages. How stunning are they? Absolutely gorgeous. Here we have some lovely hearts and flowers on this one. I just absolutely love, love, love the colours. Here we have Paris and Nice. Again, beautiful, beautiful colours. Another sheet with flowers and the word Paris, and then we've got some script running through on this side of the page. Oh, there's some there as well. Got a music note on this side. This side is kind of left a little bit blank in the middle, so you can use that to maybe write something or pop fussy cut something out and stick it onto the top. Then we've got this beautiful page with some script in the background. Absolutely gorgeous. They're stunning. Then we come on to the background. So we've got, I absolutely love these ones. I just love the colours. So we've got two different florals there for these backgrounds. Absolutely beautiful. Then we go on to these two. So we've got the lighter background and then the darker background. So that is the darker and there is the lighter. Again, loads you could do with these. You could cut the pages up and use them in different parts of your journal. You can create some little tuck spots, pockets, etc. Then we've got them in this lovely pink colour, and we've got the light and the darker as a little bit of a contrast. How beautiful are those? Then we come on to these gorgeous pages. Got hearts and little circle shapes. Again, this you can fussy cut out and pop it into the journal and make a lovely tuck spot using these. I love fussy cutting, so I'll thoroughly enjoy cutting those out. And then on this one, we've got some layered pockets. So the design goes onto this part of the pocket. So if you match them up, you know, they both match in perfectly together. So loads of lovely little bits on the layered pockets to cut out, the gorgeous candelabra, and we've got some script on the background on this one. Absolutely stunning. It's a beautiful, beautiful collection. Then this page is the tag page. So Amanda has created lots of different style tags. I'm just going to pop that one that way just so you might see that a little bit better. So like I say, we've got nice different shape tags that you can again fussy cut out. Absolutely stunning. Love those. The lovely lady at the piano just flipping through her pages. And then these two pages are the pockets. So we can fussy cut around and make a lovely pocket with the pretty pink one and the beautiful blue. So we've got those two. And then this one, again, we can, Amanda's given loads of stuff on these 2 pages, so we can fussy cut around them, and we could create lots of little pieces of ephemera that we can then tuck perfectly maybe into the pockets. So absolutely fabulous. So that is the collection I've chosen. I absolutely love it. It is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So I am going to give this journal a good go, and we will see what happens along the way. So please join in with me on my journey as I go along. Okay, so to do my journal cover, I've taken a chocolate pillow cereal box, and I've cut it down to approximately 8.5 by 6.5 across, and I want my journal cover to be a soft cover, hence the cereal box. And then I've taken myself a piece of just some brown paper off a roll, and all I've done is I cut this about 1 inch wider than the cereal box. Okay, and I'm just going to stick that down, but just before I do that, I've cut my corners, as you can see here. So I've done 3. I'm now going to do this one here. So all I've done is I've kind of gone along like so and just cut that off at a bit of an angle like that. Let's hope it's right. Got this fabric glue. Now I've never used it before on any paper projects. Actually, I haven't used it on any sewing projects. I always found it didn't stick. So let's have a try here. Fingers crossed it will be right. I put a little bit too much on, so I'm just going to flip this around. It does wrinkle a bit, but you're not going to see that anyway. Long like so. Let's hope it doesn't crease as much this time. Okie dokie. Okay, so that's the outside cover made with my brown paper. The next thing I did was, using the cereal box has made a great spine for the journal. So all I've done here is I've taken my crocodile and I've used my 3/16 of an inch hole, and all I did was, this literally measures 2 inches across the spine. So what I did was I made a mark at my 1 inch point for my center circle, and then I came in 1/2 inch. So where these 2 score lines are, I came in 1/2 inch from the side, and I popped another little mark here and 1/2 inch in from this side and popped another little mark. I then took my crocodile and punched the 3 holes at the little pencil marks I made. Then I flipped it across and I did the same at the other side. So I've got my 3 holes punched at the bottom and 3 at the top, and I'm going to leave it there for today. So yeah, that is the first part of my journal. I will be back to decorate the front cover of my journal. I'm conscious of the time, so I hope you will join me as I go through my stages of creating this journal and my little steps to get there. So thank you ever so much for joining me today. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. I would really love to hear from you. And I will be back very soon. In the meantime, happy crafting, have a wonderful day, take care, see you soon, and bye bye for now.